Hello everybody, welcome to this lesson. We're just going to do a quick test here for the alpha test 2 that we have published on the Play Store as a tester account. So if you go to Play Store, make sure that you uninstall the application, or if you have already the application, keep it as it is. We're just going to make an update for it. So if you go here to My Apps on the Play Store on the real device here, we're just going to see here we got this app. So if you click on it, if you click on this, you're not going to be updated. So we're just going to click update all at the top there, and we're just going to skip all other applications because we need to update the Mindizor project. So I'm just going to skip Samsung print service here. I'm just going to update this version from the entire list. Alright, so you click here, just going to see we are updating the project as we did before, but right now we're updating to another version here. So because we are a tester account, you are the only one gonna see this update. You cannot rate the application because you are a tester account. Let me just skip this. Cancel. Yeah, because you are a tester account, you cannot rate the application. You can install it for testing. So if you go to here, you can see we are updating to 0.2, and that's why we got the update label on the list of the applications. Alright, so right now after we update the application, just gonna open it. As you can see here, we got a splash screen, all is good. We got some starter items here, we got the ads, and you can see here seems everything is okay, but let me just go to start here, just adding coins here. You can see the Soomla store has been initialized, and you can turn off the music, turn on the music, all is good. You can open the dialog, close the dialog. Everything sounds great. So I can go right now to make another test for the store. So right now when we try to purchase an item with our tester account, we're just gonna see what is going on. So I just click buy item. I'm just gonna click here buy now because I have the tester account. I can make a test order without paying any money, but with a test account. So here, let me just type my password. I'm just gonna try to pause the video and just copy the password and back to you. Alright, so here I'm just going to paste the password and click confirm. And we got payment successful. Excellent. But we got this error, error 3. And this is one of the most common errors you're just going to face while you're developing in-app purchase applications. So we need to troubleshoot this error, and we need to make sure that we don't have application related to app caching. So we're just gonna do some steps here. Restart the application, make sure that we don't got the error again. So I'm just gonna restart as we did here and go to the store again, try purchase. We keep getting this error. So yeah, so restart the application, it didn't work. So we can try purchase another item. We should get the same error because it's a common error here, error 3. And so we need to debug this error and know what is the problem with this error code. So because of that, you have to go to Android Device Manager, and you can get this from the Android Studio, and you open the Android Device Manager. Here you're gonna see we got verbose, and this is the first thing inside the list of locate. You're gonna see all the errors. For example, here we got errors related to the application that we have, which is related to Soomla, and we got other errors, but they are not related to the application that we have. They are related to other apps and to the OS sometimes. So here, if you select the application, and we're just gonna search, you can search for application name for the identifier name, and also you can search for specific regular expressions. Also you can just type a regular expression as we can see here. You can filter the errors according to error, according to the warning or whatever. So here we are filtering the errors according to the results according to errors. So notice here we got errors related to Unity, errors related to Soomla, Google in-app purchase helper. So most of the time when you got errors for your apps, you have to go to the top of the list and see the errors. So for example, you can go here to this exception. You can see here unable to buy item because this item is already owned. So So what do we mean by this? We have to solve this in the next video, but this is the first exception that you get. You should write this down and search for a solution to this, as we're going to show you in the next videos. So every exception, every error get a response code or an error number. Most of the errors, if you scroll a little bit to the remove the errors, all the errors, and you just go back to the application and click on the store icon on the application, you're just going to generate a new error, a new exception. So we want to know what is happening there once you click on the application and you just generate this error. So before we for the problem of the item is already purchased, you have to make sure that you have a unique ID here for each of the items, and also make sure the items there are activated. So this is the first thing you have to notice. Other thing, we have to go to the application and try to remove the cached the caching of the file. So if you go to clear data here for the application, and you go to clear data, you're just going to clear all the data related to cache and the store data. So I can restart the application and try to run this application again. So if you go to the application, just going to try and make another purchase, and we just got the same error again. So yeah, for the other items, we keep getting this error. So right now you can see here, this is the error. We have some missing token for the SKU, and we got also unable to buy item because the item is already owned. But if you go to the top, you can see here we cannot buy this item. So go to the top of the list. You can see here we have a failed signature. We have signature verification failed. So we discovered that the first problem occurred when we got a failed verification. So we need to solve this problem and troubleshoot the error from the beginning and from the top of the list. So this is an indication that we have a problem with the signature. So we're just going to show you how to fix this problem in the next videos. So thank you guys again for watching. See you in the next video.